Hey, welcome back. Today we're working on 5 handrails. They're not the fanciest. It's a different design. It's going on a cabin. So I've got 1.5 inch square tube, 16 gauge wall thickness, and then I've got rebar, 1/2 inch rebar. There's going to be a rebar every 4 inches throughout the whole handrail all the way around. Each handrail is about 7.5 feet long, and they go between posts on a deck. So this video is going to be less talking and more fast forward, but you're going to see me using these spacer blocks that I built. I've got a piece of 1/2 inch plywood that will hold the rebar up off the table, and then that's using my spacing. It should be 3.5 inches in between, which is 4 inch on center spacing. So anyways, let's get this kind of laid out. What I'm going to do first, I'm going to square the lower post to the upper post, or the lower rail to the upper rail. And then I'm actually going to start dead center. I know that there's going to be 23 pieces of rebar in this handrail, so I'm going to put one dead center and work out from center both ways. I've never done it this way before, but it's just an idea I had, so I want to see how that works out. If you can see right here behind me, I've got the other 212 39-inch pieces of rebar for the rest of the handrails. So anyways, so like I said, I'm going to parallel this rail to that rail. I'm going to square them, and then I'm going to start dead center on each with one rebar, and I'll work out from the middle, and I'll see how I like that, how it ends with spacing on the very ends. So anyways, thanks for coming back. Click like and subscribe. Lots of comments if you don't like it, if you do like it, if you have a different method that you like. But anyways, let's get going. So I've got 4 of the 5 rails done. I only showed you one. And ADD has led me to how I'm going to mount the handrails. And typically, how I would mount the handrails is on, get this out of your way. That's still in your way. On the end of the rail here, I would weld tabs, either above and below or side to side, and then you'd screw through there. I wanted to try something different that I haven't done before. So pan you over to these. I've taken some square tubing. It's smaller outside dimensions. It sleeves inside of the handrail. And then I have this flat bar that I made. It's just 1 inch wide. I cut it out of some flat plate. And I'm cutting them onto 1x1 squares and have a hole drilled in the center. And those, as you can see right here, welding to that square tube. So my idea is that these will screw onto the posts, a top one and a bottom one, and then that handrail will nest over them. And then you shouldn't see any hardware anywhere. I think I'll probably still run a self-tapper in the bottom of each of them, just so the handrail doesn't rattle and stuff. So I'm going to see how that works out. If that doesn't work out very good, then I can take the handrail down and do the tabs. So the only thing I've lost here is time, but it may be something that'll work out better in the future. So that being said, I need 4 of these per handrail. I have 5 handrails, so I need 20 of them made. This one's halfway done, and then here's 2, 4, 6, 8 there, so 9, so I have 11 left to weld up. So anyways, let's get back at it.